Hello guys, if your screen randomly goes black while you're using your computer, or it turns black after a few minutes, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you a few methods that can help fix this issue. A black screen problem is often caused by a loose or improperly connected display cable connector, a faulty or outdated graphics driver, or incorrect power and display settings. So let's get started and walk through the steps to fix the problem. First, turn off your system completely and then turn it back on. Once your system reaches the Windows desktop, go to the search bar and type Change Screen, then open Change Screen Saver. In the Screensaver settings window, make sure the screensaver is set to none, then click Apply and OK. Next, go back to the search again and type Power Options, then open Edit Power Plan. Here, make sure Turn off the display is set to Never, and Put the computer to sleep is also set to Never. Sometimes the screen goes black because of the timing configured here, so setting both of these to Never can help prevent that. After making these changes, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. The Power Options window will open. Here, expand PCI Express, then expand Link State Power Management, and make sure the setting is set to Off. Once that's done, close all these windows. Next, right-click on the Windows Start button and select Device Manager. When the Device Manager window opens, look for display adapters and expand it. From there, right-click on your display adapter and select Update Driver. Then click Search automatically for drivers. If it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, just close that window. Next, look for monitors and expand it. Right-click on Generic Monitor and select Update Driver as well. After updating both drivers, go ahead and close all the windows. Now, go to the search bar and type CMD, then run Command Prompt as administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type SFC /scan now and press Enter. This will start scanning and repairing any corrupted or missing system files. Sometimes these system file issues can cause crashes or abnormal behavior like a black screen, so let the scan complete 100%. Once it's done, you might see a message saying, Windows found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. After that, close the Command Prompt window. Next, open Settings. Go to Windows Update and click on Check for Updates, or if updates are already available, click Download and install all. Updating Windows can fix bugs and other system issues. After following all these steps, your black screen issue on Windows 11 should be fixed. If you're still experiencing the problem, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll try my best to help you out. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.